Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable box notes for faster document annotation. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable box notes, start by logging into your Box account. Navigate to the folder where you want to create or access a box note. Click on the New button located at the top of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Box Note. A new box note will open for you to begin annotating your document. To enable annotation tools, look for the toolbar on the top of the box note interface. You will see options like text formatting, bullet points, and checklists. To highlight text, select the text you want to emphasize. In the formatting toolbar, click on the highlight icon. To add comments, select the text and choose the comment option. This allows you to leave notes that can be viewed by others. To collaborate, invite team members by clicking on the Share button in the upper right corner. Enter the email addresses of those you wish to invite. Set their permissions to decide whether they can edit or only view the note. Once finished with the setup, click Share to send invitations. You can now use box notes for faster document annotation with your team. Make sure to save your changes regularly. To do this, simply click the Save button in the toolbar. Your box note is now fully enabled for efficient collaboration and annotation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.